If we look at our perception of money, it has changed quite dramatically over the last 10 years. Due to technologies like Venmo, PayPal, peer-to-peer payment solutions, Apple Pay, online banking, bitcoins and so on, we see physical cash just becomes rarer all the time. But cryptocurrencies like bitcoins have been on quite a roller coaster ride for the last years. After a spike in both valuation and hype at the New Year's Eve around 2018, the value of bitcoins fell to 25% within a year, which made most people lose interest and confidence in cryptocurrencies, and instead turning their focus towards the core technology behind the blockchain technology. But the potential in Bitcoin to change the whole concept of money through dematerialization, deregulation and decentralization is still intact. We just need to focus on the possibilities and the use cases instead of the actual valuation of the cybercurrency. And to get around this problem, a series of stable coins have been introduced. That is a decentralized cryptocurrency that is pegged to other existing currencies to take away the volatility. One promising example is DAI, partly developed here in Denmark by the fintech startup called MakerDAO. But the most promising and interesting launch that will happen in 2020 is the new stable cryptocurrency called Libra. It's backed by a consortium of right now 20 partners like Vodafone, Uber, Spotify, and of course Facebook that has sponsored most of the project so far. And that is exactly also the project's biggest problem, because Facebook has faced a lot of mistrust due to their handling of data. And therefore, Facebook had to stand and defend the Libra project in front of Congress in September 2019. We see several countries here in Europe also reacting very strongly against the project. So this has led early Libra partners like PayPal, Visa and MasterCard to actually leave the organization. And right now, the verdict is out whether this project will ever be launched. The US Congress is extremely skeptic to Libra and the negative possible consequences. The CEO of JP Morgan recently went public and said, "No way, this project will never fly." I, however, predict that the Libra will be launched in 2020 and that they will be able to also get a much broader backing than the one we see right now. Because the advantage of the 1.7 billion unbanked people in the world and the possibilities for the 2.5 billion Facebook users are simply too big to stop this project. So look out for the launch of Libra and a general cryptocurrency comeback in 2020.